Make sure to stay till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and common mistakes people make. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Dodge Challenger. If you have one of those, you have problems with the blind spot detector and you're trying to find where the fuse is located, we'll talk why it's super important to test fuses, guys, and also where to buy cheap fuses from. Stay with us and we'll cover all that in this video today. So before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from and you can save a fortune. So let's explain how to fix that now. So it will work on V6, V8. Most people will do one thing, they will open the hood, guys, and they will try to find that fuse in the fuse box that's located actually under the hood. Okay, right here you can see that fuse box, but that fuse box, it's mostly for engine management. We need to go, guys, to a different fuse box. And where is the other one? Okay, let's go ahead, okay, and explain that. We're talking about blind spot that's integrated practically in the mirrors. And if we come towards the back, car was in a little bit of an accident, guys. You can see right here, fender bender, but works, drives like a champ. We drove it recently and we'll be rebuilding it very soon as well. Right here we're going to open the trunk, and when we open the trunk, guys, you will need to remove that cover, lift it up. That's the trunk cover, and right underneath it you can see you will have, guys, a spare tire, car battery, and you're going to have one fuse box that you will open by pressing here and pulling straight up. Perfect, just like that. The fuse, guys, that we'll need to check. Before we do that, let me tell you how important it is to test fuses and relays. Fuses, sometimes you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not. So sometimes you may think you have a good fuse by looking at it, and if it's bad, you put it back in, you will spend time and money for parts and problems that practically don't need to be replaced, guys. Okay, so don't do that. Always test fuses. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, relays, and where to buy cheap fuses and relays from for a really good price and quick shipping. What we need to do now, we need to grab that relay. I'll pull it out because it's in the way. You don't have to do that. And for some fuses, it's always kind of like a good idea to disconnect sometimes the car battery as well. And on these modern cars, it matters which battery terminal you disconnect. Reconnect first, otherwise you can burn the electronics, computers, modules. That can cost you thousands of dollars. And we have a video that explains which battery terminal to disconnect first if you want to check it out. So if you come right here, even if you have a missing fuse, you count that spot and you have 1, 2, that 10 fuse, that's the one that we have, guys. That's the one that you need to check. You grab it with the fuse puller that's provided in the fuse box, grab it, pull it out, and we replace it, okay, with a new one. Those are little bitty micro fuses. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get new fuses from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.